The Westmoreland police are asking that less condemnation and more leniency be shown to young people in the parish. That plea came from Commander for the Westmoreland Division Senior Superintendent Robert Gordon, who insists that would help to transform more troubled youth. More in this report.
The commander, who was addressing a church service in the parish recently, spoke glowingly about the ability of the church in bringing about positive change. With that, he appealed to Christians to get more involved in helping to save young men from a life of crime.
One of the many things that the church does is to instill positive values and morals. Who is it that is going to say to a young man today, "Seek ye first the kingdom of God and all his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you"? If we fail to do that, it is the street that is going to do it. But guess what the street say to them? By a man and you must get $1 million. Even if it means that you must die young.
The commander says youth who stray from the straight and narrow way do so because of a lack of guidance, and not enough effort is placed on teaching them how to forgive. It's the reason he believes they turn to the gun to settle disputes. He says any effort to keep the youth on a positive path has to be sustained, or we run the risk of them sliding even deeper into criminal activities.
Because whatever they would have gotten in their brains, it didn't go there overnight. So it means that the mission must be one that is ongoing. Bearing in mind that there will be reticence. There will also be cognizant dissonance. So there are multiple things that we'll have to work on to get them on the side of good. And if we get one, at least we would have started the mission to save at least one.
The police say the transformation process must start with less stigmatization of young people who look and dress a certain way.
The pants might not be where the social norms would dictate that it should be. There might be markings on the skins that is not what the social norms expect of them. They might even be speaking to us in a particular way that is not normal. But guess what? Those are the ones that we should not ignore. Those are the ones that we should keep on pressing on to get on our side.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.